TSF, Central Unit, General Secretary, my MLA, Paul Namchu, Sirit Talon, Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, advisors, President of the local TSF unit. We have Sunita there. Sunita, Hamde. To everyone here, to my students, first of all, I would like to wish you all a very blessed and a wonderful freshers. I think it is very important for the students to come together to celebrate our culture, our identity and our way of life as Tiprasa people. And I also want to thank TSF. I'm seeing a good change. You have a Riyan president, you have a Jamatya, you have a Koloy, you have a Deb Burma. This is a good way of keeping Thansa. Thansa should be when even the smallest community feels that they are given a chance in the Tiprasa Lotha. So I want to thank you for that. It's a very good gesture. And also very nice to see a female vice president. We never give up Burui people a chance, so it's nice to see a female vice president. And I want to thank that. I think there are some guests from outside, some who have come from different parts, some who have come from Karbi Anglong. Want to say welcome to all of you as well. I don't want to take much of your time. मैं ज़्यादा समय नहीं लूँगा, हम किसी को सकला. I just heard when I came, I heard Lawrence Rathod speak about the Tiprasa situation. We can blame everyone. We can blame political parties. We can blame people from Bangladesh. But we have to also look at what have we created to ourselves. We have become a copycat of all the wrong things which we should not do. We have taken all the negative things that our community, our Dopa should not have taken, and we've taken the bad habits. When I talk about bad habits, I'm not talking about drugs. Drugs is a serious problem. But there are worse habits which have come into our society. Jealousy, ego, corruption, the sense of quick money, selfish. And all these things have broken our Thansa, have broken the concept of brotherhood or sisterhood. And today, if we are weak, 50% can be the blame of people who came from another country. 50% is also our mistake. I have seen in my time as a Tipra Motha leader, I have seen leaders who were farmers, who were poor people. I picked these people up, I made them leaders. Today, how many of our leaders, not from Tipra Motha, but from IPFT also, from CPM also, from Congress also, from BJP also, how many of our leaders who has come from a poor village, gone back and made one well in their own village, they have all bought houses in our country. We are very good at giving speeches, but we don't follow it up in action. The other day I spoke in the council. I said our minds are not pure, our hearts are not clean, and our vision is blurred because we look at short-term profit, not long-term vision. You all here are young people. I have fought for you, and I will continue to fight for you. But I am not sure if I will fight for every one of you who wants to be in politics. Many people will be shocked, but I will take certain decisions very soon. I don't want to be in politics. I don't want to be in Tipra Motha. I don't want to be in the ADC. I'm already Gubagra. Have you invited me? Have you invited me? आपने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया है कि मैं MDC हूँ कि बुबागरा बन के बुलाया है? बुबागरा, no? Am I here because I'm a Tipra Motha politician, or I'm here because I'm Bubagra? Bubagra. Then if I have to help my people, why should I continue to be in ADC or as a Tipra Motha member? I did not enter politics to make money. I entered politics to help my people. I entered politics to have a good name, credibility. But today, the longer I stay in politics, you lose credibility. क्या पैसा है? पैसा तो भगवान ने, God has given me. But today, by being in politics, by being in power, you cannot help your people. When I can't help all of you all, despite being in power or despite being in politics, then why should I continue to be in that? I can be a bigger help when I don't have the trap of political parties. No, Bubagra, you cannot say this. Bubagra ये बोलेगा तो हमारा ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा. Bubagra ये आपने बोला तो हमको पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. बुबागरा ये बोला तो बीजेपी गुस्सा हो जाएगा, कांग्रेस गुस्सा हो जाएगा. मैं क्या यहाँ मैं बीजेपी को खुश करने आया हूँ? मैं कांग्रेस को खुश करने आया हूँ कि अपने तीपरा साहब को कुछ होप देने आया हूँ? Lawrence, you spoke about when you are a failure, everybody will say, okay, bye, tata, goodbye. So first, try to unite the students. Whether it is a scholarship issue, I went with you for the scholarship issue. Whether it is a students' hostel, whether it is anything which has got to do with the students' welfare, I am with you. But you have to also, not only you, everyone, the president, everyone, you all also have to understand that we cannot wake up one day and ask for something. It has to be continuous. The fight for the Tiprasa people will not be won in one election. The fight for Tipra land will not be won in one election or one slogan. The fight for our existence and survival has to be won on a daily basis. And the first thing you can do is improve you yourself. You become the weapon. You become your own change. I want to thank the TSF. Paul, I know you want to speak after this. मैंने तो सब बोल दिया, बात प्रॉब्लम पे गिर जाओगे. लेकिन Paul, I know, I trust you. You're a good man. I wish I had more leaders like you in Tipra Motha also. I wish we have more people like you in Tiprasa society also. So, I may not be around. मैं पूरा जिंदगी तो रहूँगा नहीं. मैं कितना दिन रहूँगा वो भी मैं जानता नहीं. Politics में ज़्यादा दिन नहीं रहूँगा जैसा चल रहा है. लेकिन if you can be honest and truthful to our people here, Karamchara and the whole of Tripura, if you remain the way you are, pure, honest, sincere, whether Bubagra is in politics or not, Bubagra will support Paul Tangshu, the person who is trying to help out. Same thing goes to you, Hamalu, Vibhas, to everyone, to Lawrence. I met you in 1990. It's been 34 years. I was a small boy. I know your daughter. And you're a committed person. You had frustrations. I have had frustrations. But our challenge is now to let go of our frustration and stand in positivity and in unity for our people. Every day, everyone will one day die. But before you die, you will ask yourself one question: what did I achieve in my life? If your achievement was, oh, Ram bahut kamal liya, that is not an achievement. अपने लोगों को कुछ दिया, you contributed something historical for our people. That is an achievement which people will remember after you are no longer alive. And that is what I want for my people and for myself. Having said all that, I again wish all of you all a wonderful fresher. I think you want to meet me in the evening. Kal We are very welcoming people of Tripura. जो भी बाहर से आते हैं, we welcome you. इनफैक्ट इतना वेलकम किया कि हम ही अपने घर में अतिथि बन गए, ठीक है? But we welcome you. Please have our food. Please appreciate our dances. Please go and tell other people that Tripura is an indigenous state. Tripura is a state which was run by the Tiprasa people, and for 75 years हम लोग पीछे चले गए हैं, लेकिन this generation can change for the next 100 years if we stay united. Belai Belai Mahambai, I love you, all of you. Can you see love me back?
Love you too.
I love you.
Love you more.
Love you more. Thank you so much. God bless you. Stay happy. And once again, TSF, Tiprasa, I'll give you an example. You spoke about UPSC. Cyril is an IS officer. His father, Vincent Darlong, is from Nepal. He's an IS officer. But for a Tiprasa to pass a UPSC, you have to give an exam. Only in the state of Assam and Tripura, you have to appear in Bengali language. Otherwise, for Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, you have an option of a local language or alternative English. This time, in the cabinet, I called up the chief minister and I said, you know, in the judicial exam, in the law judicial exam, till 2018, we had Tiprasa, Kokborok and alternative English as a choice. Third choice, 2019 में compulsory Bengali लिख दिया. 2019 से 2024 तक एक student pass नहीं हुआ law में, और a single student has passed. I told the chief minister, you have to change it. Is it okay? But who made that law? The law was passed when the law secretary was a Tiprasa himself. He made that law. तो हमारा दुश्मन कौन है? Who's the enemy? It is very easy to blame someone. We have to also look at our own mistakes and our vulnerabilities. You'll be glad to hear, Lawrence, and all our students, you want to appear for law now. The choice of alternative English and Kokborok has been included. So from now on, it is not necessary for a Tiprasa student, indigenous student, to appear in only Bengali language. That option has been changed. It happened 6 days ago. But Lawrence, I'll tell you one more thing. When I said that it should be Kokborok in alternative English, one of my own leaders, no Maharaj, it should not be alternative English, it should only be Kokborok. I said, but there are Chakmas, there are Ranglongs, Darlongs, Chores, Mog, there are other communities, Rangkals, who don't speak Kokborok. Why should we do what happened to us? Why should we also inflict it upon them? And there's no, they have to understand our language. This is called small chikon heart. This is called us doing the same thing which happened to us. So what does that show about our leadership? We are very good, as somebody said, हम लोग acting में बहुत अच्छे हैं. अरे acting अच्छा करना है, तो बाहर के आदमी के सामने करो ना. अपने लोगों को सामने एक्टिंग करके क्यों बेवकूफ बना रहे अपने लोगों को? उसको एक्टिंग नहीं, उसको 420 बोलते. I've seen many leaders, and I'm telling you this because you are the young students. What I speak here in front of the camera, I speak in front of Delhi. That day Yogi Adityanath came, they were talking about, some leaders said that Hindu के हाथ में त्रिशूल होना चाहिए, बोला कलम होना चाहिए. This is not the culture of Tripura. I speak whatever is in my heart. I don't change my language when I meet Amit Shah, Modi or Rahul Gandhi. But I've seen our leaders. They speak इतना अच्छा से बोलता है कोरबुक में, बांग्लादेशी को बैक, ओम्पी में, तेलियामुरा में, कंचनपुर में, no land, no rest. The moment they come in Agartala in front of a non-Tiprasa leader, sir, টাকা দিলে হয়ে যাবে স্যার। স্যার আমি ট্রান্সফার চাই স্যার, আমার ভিডিও ভালো মানুষ নয়, আমি ট্রান্সফার চাই স্যার, উনি আমার কাজ করছে না। इन लोगों को लीडर किसने बनाया? बागरा ने बनाया। लेकिन आज मैं देखता हूं क्या है क्वालिटी। This is the quality. So I saw that you are a young generation. I see that you all have sense of confidence. But I will take certain decisions which may hurt the ADC, which may hurt Tipra Motha party, but it will not hurt my Tiprasa community. Now that is a leader. And what Tripura needs is not a politician. What Tripura needs is a leader. What Tripura Tiprasa people need is less politics and more activism. What we need is less divide and more thansa. And if I think me being in politics is not helping my people, I will continue to be Bhubagra. I will continue to help you all. I will give scholarship. I will travel entire state of Tripura. I will meet my people, but I will make people understand that we have to think differently from other states. The speaker before me said that Chief Minister of Nagaland is a Naga. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya is either a Khasi or a Garo or a Jaintia. The Chief Minister of Arunachal is an Arunachali. The Chief Minister of Tripura is not a Tiprasa. 1950 में क्या प्रॉब्लम था? We became democracy in 51. That time Tiprasa people were 50-50. What happened in 61? We were still 45%. Why did we become Chief Minister? Now we are 28-30%. But when we were 50%, 55%,